Let's introduce the installation of ATE400 temperature sensor in bus-bar. Before installation, make sure that group number of sensor and receiver are the same. Take 2 ROE sheets through the locking parts. Fold in the middle. Press the ROE sheet and sensor tighten. The second gasket passes through the ROE sheet. Place the sensor in the proper position of the bus-bar. Place the electrical sheet on both sides of the bus-bar. Then put the ROE sheet passes through the locking piece. Tighten with tools. Tighten the locking screw. Cut off the extra ROE sheet. Press the ROE sheet tighten. The sensor is installed.